Hello guys! KB5074105 is an optional, non-security preview update for Windows 11 versions 24H2 and 25H2, released on January 29, 2026. It advances the OS to build numbers 26100.7705 24H2 and 26200.7705 25H2. Key features and changes. Cross-device resume extends the ability to hand off tasks from Android phones to PCs. Supported apps include Spotify, Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Smart App Control (SAC). Users can now toggle SAC on or off in Windows Security without requiring a clean reinstall of Windows. Windows Hello ESS. Enhanced Sign-in Security (ESS) now supports peripheral fingerprint sensors, previously restricted to built-in sensors. MIDI services. Improvements for MIDI 1.0 and 2.0, including shared ports across apps and built-in translation for better performance in music apps. Storage settings security. A new user account control prompt now appears when accessing storage settings to protect system files. Critical bug fixes. Explore.exe hang fixes an issue where the taskbar would not appear upon initial login if certain startup apps were configured. Black screen BSOD patches a dxgmms2.sys error causing kernel security check failure on specific GPU configurations. Windows Sandbox resolves error 0x00705b4 that prevented Sandbox from starting. Desktop icons fixes a bug where desktop icons would move unexpectedly when interacting with files. Now let's see how to install this update on your Windows 11 PC. Since this is an optional C-Week update, it will not install automatically unless the toggle "Get the latest updates as soon as they're available" is on. Click on Start menu, click on Settings. Here, click on Windows Update. Here you can see the latest update 2026-01 preview update KB5074105 26200.7705 is available for installation. Here, click on Download and Install for KB5074105. Known issues. Microsoft is investigating a persistent bug where the password icon disappears from the login screen, though this is not exclusive to this update. That's it. If this video helpful, like and share and subscribe for more.